everybody out there on the racetrack. And I'm going to ask, because I'm curious, I don't know. Any of our racers out there who are running some type of a power adder, whether it's nitrous, turbo, blower, maybe you've got your mother-in-law in there, I don't know. If you've got a power adder, please raise your hand. Who all running power adders? I see 2. That's it? 3? Okay. 4?
John.
All right, who all naturally aspirated? Raise your hand. Oh, yeah. The knuckle draggers. That's my dogs right there. I'm right there with it. How many of you are running a manual transmission? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's actually a pretty decent amount. You know, you've got 3 pedals and no weighting.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, man.
What, do you have trolls back there? Yeah. Yeah?
I put a works control out,
Brake pressure,
A little bit of everything. We got late model and we got early model right here. We've got trucks, we've got cars. We've even got a mini bike down here. Okay, looks like we've got everybody in position. We're going to get our photos out, our cameras out, and start taking some photos and some videos. Did anybody bring a drone this week? Good time for a flyover. Okie dokie. Looks like the Busted Radio Garage 68 Roadrunner is alive and running. He jumps in the driver's seat.
Several of them here.
Let's see if he's going to come out for the photo. Looks like he is.
Explain to everybody.
Let's give him a big round of applause. He worked his tail off. He wanted to be in the group photo. He said he's going to be entering the burnout competition later. Sounds like it's hitting on all 8 cylinders now. So we'll get him in position and then we will start clicking shutters.
I never cared clothes. I mean, they're pretty, but the
All right, who brought the 2 mini bikes? What channels are represented here?
3 and 4, they.
I think I might get a break. There wasn't no more hugs for me.
Interesting center console here is just a chunk of foam. It's actually a good idea. What's the buck?
Testing 1, 2.
So Barkley stepped out here and asked me if I wanted to get high. This was not what I had in mind. We're going up in the man lift here. And we're just about ready to get our pictures taken. In fact, I have all of your attention, please. Everybody out on the racetrack. For our first photograph, if you would please step to the wall so we can see the front end of all the cars. Step to the wall behind your vehicle. And then we will take another photograph with everybody out in the middle so we can see all your smiling faces. And then for our third photograph, we would really like to have John Wilburn and Dallas Brown up here at the Christmas tree. And after that, for those of you who don't have your numbers yet, please get in contact with Mr. John Wilburn. He's standing up here at the starting line right now. And if you do not have your arm or your wristbands, okay, everybody who came through is supposed to have a wristband. If you have a wristband, you're good. If you don't have a wristband, you need to come up here to the credentials building at the gate and get your proper wristband. Round number 2, Outlaw 10-5 coming at you here. Technician Troy in the GMC Sonoma. LS powered. Paired up with the Thunderbird. Dallas been busy on this thing, getting it all swapped over from the single throttle body that he had. Keep in mind, it's an instant green tree. Reaction time plays a huge part here. Dallas definitely has the quicker car. that if Troy can nail the tree, he might have just enough advantage to get the win here and advance to the final. That's all she wrote for Troy. Dallas just nailed it. Decal and a big banner and a keychain. Here we have a call out between the Blue Goose and Daddy's Buddy's Garage. Isaac was the first one up here with a tire pressure gauge, and he gets this comp camp package. Thank you, Isaac. Have fun. All right, the Poly head Clemens out in front and gets there first.
Might be a little slow on takeoff.
That's a long haul. Let's see if either one of them can give us a burnout better than both the old Parks and Ruts. Couple of big block Mopars.
I can't wait to come down there next year and beat the hell out of it. It's a wreck. Huh?
A body in the left lane, B body in the right lane.
Get you all these Mopar guys out of Dutch. I'm the progenitor of the tunnel ran Mafia.
And the right lane gets there first. Chalk one up for Bigfoots and Mopars. Plymouth over here in the left lane. Gonna have to back him up, way up. Come on back, come on back, back. There you go. Got a stage with a forward motion. There you go. But here's the beauty of this, man. You got two Polyhead 318s side by side, challenge positions. The Rabbit Transit Garage and Daddy's Buddy's Garage. And Daddy's Buddy out in front. The Rabbit Transit is you trying to catch up, and Daddy's Buddy chalks up a round win. That's the first time I've ever said that. YouTube channel and Mr. Rodder's Neighborhood. Represented here by Mr. Dallas Brown. So this is kind of a Ford versus Chevy battle. You got a Ford in the left lane, you got a Chevy small block that's in the Studebaker. How many Ford fans we got out there? Put your hands up. One. We got one person who likes Fords. How about the Chevy guys? What about everybody like that Chevy power? This is it for all the marbles here in Outlaw 10-5. Boy, Dallas trying to get a head start station with the rear tires. Sneaky. Sneaky. And we still have a $150 bounty to go 590 or quicker. Dallas still working on it. He said he wants a 5-second pass.
Wow, that's fast. Wow.
And Dallas takes the win.